Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. This week we'll be talking about safety. Oops, I already clicked into this. Let me just go back so you can see what you're going to be, what the week is going to look like. There we go, week 8, safety licensing and regulations. If you go into the folder, you are going to see the assignment folder and then all of the materials that you need to read. So go ahead and click on the week 8 assignments. First thing that will come up is that your homework, part of your work for the week, is going to be reading chapters 8 and 9 in the textbook. Here is the reading assessment to go with it. Then we're going to be talking about safety concerns in different areas. Please read the materials that are in the folder for the week. After you read the material in the folder, I'm going to have you choose one of the safety concerns. And what you need to do is, I would do this as soon as early in the week as you see this, and grab which one is interesting to you. And then the first thing that you're going to do is enter it into a discussion board to hold that topic for you. Okay, so this discussion board is going to be the topic, just kind of reserving it. If before you choose a topic, make sure you've checked out this discussion board. The second one is the actual assignment of safety on the topic that you've chosen. So there's the assignment to turn in. And then your job is to post the assignment so that everyone can read each other's assignment and their topic. So here is those instructions, and then the last one is going to be safety in schools. Unfortunately, in today's world, we need to think about being safe in a classroom and think about what would happen if something were to, the unthinkable would happen, and what our role would be to keep children and ourselves safe. So that is what this last discussion board is. Make sure you read all the materials, and then as of Sunday, you will be on spring break until the 22nd at midnight. The next week will open. So you have a full week off, and I hope you enjoy it. I got all of your exams graded, and I am up through last week. So I will work in the beginning of this week to get that finished for you. And by the time you head back from spring break, everything will be graded. I also am opening up a grade progress column so that you can see where your grade stands. If you're not happy about it, you still have a whole half a semester to bring it up, and if you're happy about it, just keep it up. I hope everyone has a fantastic break and enjoy the nice springy weather. And I will see you after vacation.